Now we're doing a blended juice. Kale, and if you could see these beautiful veins and the color, it's a red veined kale, and different vitamins, carotenoids, etc. in this. A lot of folate, we like that, and a lot of fiber. My clients do not eat enough fiber. So in a blended juice, I'm going to use one that has a blade, a wicked looking blade like that. And often I forget to put the blade in. I put everything in and then forget the blade. So I just remind you of that. Put your blade in first, tighten her down. This one has a cap that the little mark here has to go over here, and then it locks down and it's ready to go. Our juice today is going to be a rather unique one, and it is called Kale and Pear. And Kale and Pear make a nice gentle combination. Some people would prefer to use some other things like maybe an apple, but today we're just doing Kale and Pear. So I'm going to drop the pear down first, and as you see, this is a rather large pear. So, and it is ripe and ready to go. I'm going to put the kale in last, and I will pretend that I'm making juice for a first-time person that is eating kale. So I'm only going to use actually part of this leaf. Why is that? Because kale can be rather strong, and you need to develop a taste for it. Push that thing down, and a blended juice ready to go. At this point I can add a little water, or I could add a little coconut juice. Now some of my clients put a little bit of olive oil in theirs, but today, because I get my clients drinking about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil for their heart a day, today we're not putting it in because at this temperature it's just going to coat the sides. Kale Pear, a very gentle juice, extraordinarily filled with vitamins, etc. And the fiber in this is extraordinary, it's gorgeous, it's wonderful, it's wild heart. I introduce you to Kale Pear. I like to put a little mint with it. Why mint? Because mint helps digestion, and it's very healthy for us. Some of this mint actually grows down at the creek, and when we did juicing down at the creek, you actually saw that we found some down there. And that is Kale Pear. As much kale as we can eat, the healthier we'll be. Thank you.